Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to refund Shein order. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Shein app and log into your Shein account. Once you're logged in, if your order hasn't arrived and there's an issue with delivery, the next step is to contact Shein's customer support team. To do this, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Once here, tap on the headphone or support icon located at the left side of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the support page. From there, scroll down and select the Customer Service option. This will open the chat feature where you can speak with a live agent. In the chat, clearly explain that your order or package has not been received. Make sure to provide your order number or invoice number so Shein can easily identify your purchase. After reviewing your details, the support team will investigate the issue and get back to you with either a refund or an alternative solution for the missing order. And that's it. So that's basically how you can refund Shein order. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.